Hello friends, this is Deepa. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make basic sponge cake. Baking is always fun, and of course I'm really happy to say that this is my first recipe on baking. So let me take you to the ingredient list. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 75 ml of milk, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 50 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and make sure your egg and butter is at room temperature. So first preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius in baking mode for 10 minutes. Now take your baking pan. I am using 20-inch round springform baking pan, and just brush it with oil or butter. And you could also dust some flour. This helps to take out your baked cake easily. Take a mixing bowl, place sieve over it, add 1 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and sift all these 3 ingredients to avoid any lumps. And if you see any lumps, just using a spatula, break down them. Keep this sifted flour aside and take another mixing bowl, break eggs into it, and using an electric whisk, just beat them for few minutes till your eggs are nice and fluffy. After a few minutes of beating, add in your sugar and mix them nicely using a spatula, and then using your electric whisk, just beat it for a few more minutes till your mixture is really fluffy. Now to this mixture, add in your milk and melted butter, and make sure that your butter is at room temperature. So mix all these ingredients once again until they are well combined. Now to this egg mixture, add in your dry ingredients, and using a whisk or spatula, just mix it well until all ingredients are well combined without any lumps. Once your batter is ready without any lumps, stop mixing it, because if you mix your batter too much, you may get large hole texture in your cake. So if you want a very nice texture, make sure you are mixing your batter until there is no lumps. So now I have mixed them well without any lumps. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a nice mix, and your batter is ready to go into your baking pan. Pour your cake batter into your baking pan. And just shake and tap them so that the top layer would get level up. Now we can place it into our preheated oven. So place your baking pan inside your oven and bake it for 15 minutes till you get nice aroma of this baked cake. So after 15 minutes of baking, I am getting a nice aroma of this baked cake all over my house. So you could see how fluffy it is. So let me transfer it into a cooling rack, and if you want to check whether your cake is cooked or not, insert a toothpick or knife, and if it comes out clean, then your cake is cooked. Otherwise, bake it for few more minutes. So I'm transferring it into a cooling rack, and once it is completely cooled down, your cake is ready to serve. And here is my prepared basic sponge cake, and this is a egg sponge cake, and soon I will upload how to make a eggless sponge cake also. And now I will show you how the texture looks. So you could see how nice my knife is running through the cake. It is very soft and smooth and spongy. So the texture also very nice. So this is my first baking recipe, and in the next coming episodes we are going to watch so many interesting baking recipes like varieties of cakes, breads, muffins, cupcakes, and even pizza, naan, and chicken tikka, paneer tikka, and tandoori chicken. Lot more grilled recipes also. And if you're really interested in watching all those, please do remember to subscribe to my channel Deep's Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you soon with another interesting video recipe. Till then, it's me Deepa Suresh signing off from Deep's Kitchen. Bye bye.